Hello, my name is Gail and I am a librarian at the Lisle Library District. Thank you for joining me for an introduction to lynda.com. Why try lynda.com? There are over 10,000 expert-led courses and video tutorials. You can learn on your computer, a smartphone, or tablet. You can develop new career skills, you can work on a hobby or begin a new one. So much is possible with lynda.com. In order to access lynda.com from home, go to our website, lislelibrary.org, and click on the Databases tab. There will be an alphabetical list of all of the databases we offer. Click on lynda.com. You will see a remote access box where you need to enter your barcode from the back of your library card, the whole number, no spaces. You will also enter your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. If for some reason this doesn't work, please email the library and we will try to assist with that. The next screen you will see is Welcome to lynda.com, where you will re-enter the library card number and your PIN. Then click Log In. Lynda.com has apps for iOS, Android, Windows, a desktop. You can also use lynda.com on a Roku or Apple TV. Now that you're logged into lynda.com, you will see a home page very similar to this. It will have a Continue Watching column on the left, which are items that you have started watching, maybe haven't finished, that you can go back into. Next to that, it has Popular Learning Paths. Learning paths are combinations of courses that lynda.com has curated. Toward the bottom, you have the option to see new courses, popular courses, and recommended courses based on what you have been viewing. When you hover over the Library tab, you will see a list of 12 subjects. These are the main subjects in lynda.com, but within these subjects are many more subjects than you would think. You can find almost anything that you're looking for within these 12 categories. Over to the right of the categories are topics. These topics are related to 3D animation, which I have highlighted above. If I want to see more of the topics, I can click on See All. To truly get an idea of the scope of the offerings within lynda.com, click on the down arrow next to the Library tab to see an alphabetical list of all of the topics available. To the right, you will see the number of courses that relate to each of the subjects. When you hover over the Library tab, you see topics. You also see related software and learning paths. You can click See All on any of these for the full list. When you do a topic search, you will come up with many options. In this instance, there are 145 courses with 4,800 video tutorials within those courses. In order to reduce this total, there will be limiters to the left-hand side, such as skill level. You can opt for beginner, intermediate, or advanced. By choosing one of those, you will reduce the number of options. On the top right, you will see that the courses are sorted by release date with the newest first. So you may want to pay more attention to the newer releases, especially if it's something like software that will be changing frequently. Once you open a course, you may want to explore it a little further before committing to it. You can scroll down to see an overview of the course. This is where there will also be a transcript running once you start the course. You have the ability to view the course offline or to download exercise files. You can check out the contents on the left-hand side and see if this course has what you need. This is the transcript that runs beneath the video. It's very helpful, especially if there is a word that you are not familiar with or you missed something. You can just peek down at the transcript to see what you missed. Underneath the video are the various controls. To the left are the standard pause, forward, rewind, and volume. To the right, you will see that there are controls to adjust video quality, to ensure autoplay is on so that one video follows the next. There is an option for a pop-out video to watch it in a separate window. You can also change the speed of the video to make it faster or slower, turn on closed captioning, or go full screen. When you are online, you will have the option to view a video offline by downloading it. You can watch it offline on an app, so it can be a desktop app or a mobile app. Some, but not all, videos offer exercise files. If they do, you will want to download these to your computer and use them as you're going through the video. Lynda.com has so much content that staying organized is very important to using this app in the most productive way. Luckily, Lynda.com offers several ways to stay organized. When you click the down arrow next to your name, you will see playlists, history, certificates, recommended, bookmarks. All of these we're going to talk about in the next few slides. When you open a video, you will have the option to add to playlist. You can add it to an existing playlist that you've already created, or you can begin a new playlist. If you create a playlist, just name it. Choose if you want the entire course or just a video and hit create. This saves the course for you and you can go back to it at any time. To see your playlists, go to the drop-down next to your name and you will see something like this. I'm in my LinkedIn playlist. I only have one course in there, but I could have many more if I chose to. This shows me that I've watched 78% of this course. I can remove this playlist if I want. I can jump right back into it by clicking on it and pick up where I left off. The next tool is Notebook. This can be found next to the Contents tab when you're watching a video. You can type a note while you're watching and then hit enter. You will get a time-stamped note, which will be saved for you. And when you're in the course again, you can just click on the note to be taken back to that same point in the video. Bookmarks are another handy way to stay organized. In the contents, as you're watching a course, you can click on the bookmark symbol at any time to save that particular video as a bookmark. When you go to the drop-down menu next to your name and click on Bookmarks, you will see something like this. I have two bookmarks here. It tells me what course I was watching when I made the bookmark and what I've designated as a bookmark. I can click right there to go back to the video and watch it again, or at the far right, I can edit or delete the bookmark. Another useful tool is history. If you watched a course but did not add it to a playlist or make a bookmark, you can still retrace your steps by clicking into history. Here you can see all of the courses that you have watched. At the right, you have the option by clicking on the plus to add the course to a playlist. You can also hit the X to delete the item from your history. Once you have completed a course, you have earned a certificate of completion, which you can print or you can share on Facebook or LinkedIn. Thank you for attending this presentation on lynda.com. If you have any questions, please email us at connect@lyelllibrary.org and we'll be very happy to help you. Thanks.